Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to rotate screen in Windows 11 and turn auto rotation on or off. So for the first method, press Ctrl plus Alt together and then tap the arrow keys on your keyboard. So try each arrow because one of them should rotate your screen back to the normal position. So again, just hold Ctrl plus Alt, press the arrow keys and check if your display flips back correctly. Now, if that shortcut doesn't do anything, move on to the second method. So go to the Windows search bar and type display settings. Press enter. So once you're inside, you'll usually see all of your connected monitors shown at the top. So mine isn't showing here, but on your computer you should see them. Make sure to click on the monitor that has the issue. After that, scroll down and first check that your display resolution is set to the proper recommended resolution. So choose recommended. Then make sure your scale is also set to the recommended percentage. And most importantly, look for display orientation. So this setting controls whether your screen is sideways, upside down, or normal. So for most people, this should be set to landscape. Just make sure you do not choose any of the flipped options. So you can choose landscape or portrait, depending on how you normally use your monitor. But in most cases, landscape is the correct one. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.